Let's take a look at this app called Retro. Quite popular social app, photos with friends. As you can see, it's getting higher in the charts, built by Lone Palm Labs. Weekly feed with friends, private by default, your photos nailed as postcards, beautifully recap memories, shared albums for shared moments. Capture the moments you want to remember. It's a premium social network for people that want to keep their data private and don't want their attention sold to advertisers. It's the app that we wanted to our own family and friends, and for you, it should feel like a breath of fresh air. It's a weekly photo journal that brings you closer to the people you actually care about and helps you appreciate your own life without distraction, pressure, or big social media. So that's basically the idea. Easy to start, print, ship, postcard, no pressure, monthly recaps. And then you can just open it up. You can give access to your contacts. And then you can see your account. So I created my account. You can see like, you can just add to your week. You can allow full access. So give access to some photos. You can then add to your week. I don't know. So here's, for example, I just had some screenshot. And yeah, basically it's kind of like a private photos app where you just take some photos and share it privately with friends, and that's it. So you can then create event, can create different types of albums. So that's basically the idea. And yeah, so that's the app. You can then just share a profile. You can see your profile, and then you can just refer friends. So here is use your invite link to refer 5 friends for a free year or 10 for lifetime premium. Retro app, my profile. So here is feel free to use my code in here. So this is just what you can use. So that's the code you can use. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. Feel free to use it, and then you help me out to get this subscription. So that's basically the idea. And then you can just claim your free year in here. So that's basically what it is, and that's the idea. And then you can just also add widgets from memories, friends, updates, postcards, delete an account, and this is kind of again like a private Instagram feed. So you don't have like ads, all of this stuff. You just have like private photos with your close friends and family, also organized in photo albums. So that's kind of the idea. Then you also have recaps and all of things like that. So that's the main point of the app. You can then just explore it more, but that's in a nutshell, that's the idea. And then there's also messages where you can create like a private chat. That's pretty cool app, and it's growing in charts. More people like privacy and don't wanna be spammed by all these annoying ads. So that's what it is.